Hey guys, guess what I just picked up for my buddy? The new Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G. He's absolutely obsessed. This phone's got a MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor. So fast. It flexes with 6GB RAM and a whopping 128GB storage. The display? A stunning 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED. Dot display. Battery life is insane too. Around 5,000 mAh with fast charging. So you don't want to miss this. Click now and grab yours faster than you can swipe. Using an outdated phone in 2023? Are you kidding me? The new Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus packs a MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor. With 6GB RAM and a whopping 128GB storage expandable via microSD. It has a stunning 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED dot display, perfect for vivid visuals. And guess what? A battery around 5,000 mAh with fast charging support. Don't wait. Upgrade to the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus now.